It's time, Bob. Weber Searwood versus the Camp Chef Woodwind. We've done a bunch of different cooks with them. This is the final one. We're doing briskets. 1 13-pound brisket each from North 36 Farms. Thank you to them for sending these.
Yes, thank you, North 36 Farms.
They're pre-trimmed.
Yeah,
you got very little work to do.
Beautiful.
I'd cheers you, but you aren't drinking this morning.
It's a little early.
Basement.
All right, here we are with two beautiful 13-pound briskets from North 36 Farms. Thank you.
Aerodynamic.
Aerodynamic, pre-trimmed, very nicely trimmed, I must say. Good marbling. Check that out right there.
Yeah, that's beautiful.
That is looking good. Ready?
I'm ready.
We're gonna use mustard as the binder. Just go with the old classic.
So Curly and Mo.
Curly and Mo.
Mo's a little bigger, fatter. Definitely aerodynamics.
Yeah,
Glove change.
right here.
Remember when you used to put my gloves on for me? What happened? What happened to that?
Here, I'll do it.
Beautiful. Hold on, which hand is this? Ah, God, it feels good. Like a doctor. Yeah.
So does that mean I'm your nurse?
I don't know what it means.
Salt,
So going liberal or?
don't you think? I mean, these are huge hunks of meat. I don't really see a way to oversalt.
Looking good, looking good.
So far, so good.
I think I'm nice and salted, so.
Yeah?
What do you think?
Well, take a look at mine and tell me what you think.
Yours doesn't look nice and salted like mine.
You get the end? No. How dare you? All right, I guess we're ready for pepper now.
Oh yeah, looking nice.
Yep.
Smells good. So girl, oh girl. What are you writing there?
F you. Look how much more salt you're putting on the side, though. Maybe I should do
I
that
don't
too.
know. I learned from the Brisket King.
You're making me think that I put
Chad
too
the Brisket
little.
King.
All right, we're good to go here. Let's let this sit for about an hour at least. We got to get going, so we're not gonna dry brine overnight or anything like that.
Right. Stick
We'll
these
get
babies on.
the Camp Chef and the Searwood going.
Smoke it.
All right, here we are, the best time of the year.
Finally.
Feels like 80, it's absolutely gorgeous. And what more could you ask for than smoking two briskets on two nice machines? So first thing we gotta do is get these guys fired up. Let's get that smoke box ready first. By the way, we decided for this episode, this battle, we're gonna use the smoke box that's built into the Camp Chef. We're gonna let each machine do what it does inherently. We'll see at the end which one is better, which one is smokier. I would assume this is gonna be smokier, but hey, you never know.
Searwood's full as before.
So we'll just stick 2 medium-sized chunks of charcoal there. Shut that. This one needs to be open when we start. Get this into the open flue position. And we're gonna go smoke boost to start with. So I'm going 180 on the Searwood. You're gonna choose level 10, 180 degrees on that.
Level 10.
Smoke level
180
10, 180 degrees. By the way, we're going 100% smoking pecan pellets in both machines today.
All right.
All right, off and running.
180. Smoke level 10 loading.
There you go.
Let's do it.
Let's take a quick look at this smoke box, make sure this thing is lit. Oh yeah, look at that.
Oh yeah, she lit perfect.
That is perfect. I have a bad feeling about this Searwood. You're gonna lose today, but we'll see.
We've thought that before and it hasn't happened, so we're going
Ready?
fat side up.
We're going fat side up. Now, the debate is, when the fat is down, it protects the meat, right? So it doesn't overcook. But when I've done that, I find the bark isn't as nice. When I do fat side up, you get that beautiful bark on the top where the fat is.
Yeah, let's go fat side up.
And we don't have all day and night for these things to take 24
Cheers,
hours.
sir.
So cheers.
Aye.
Now I'm gonna stick the thick side towards the hot, which on both of these happens
Is
to be
left,
the left.
right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, beautiful. What number grill battle is this?
I think this is number 4 for these two, isn't it?
I meant like all time.
Oh, who knows? We've done.
Searwood versus everything.
Yeah, Searwood versus
Searwood
the world.
yeah.
All right, this is gonna be awesome. Super excited. We'll catch you guys soon.
All you basement VIPers, don't forget to join our Discord. We're sharing cooks, looking at member videos, all the interesting things in the world. Look down below for instructions how to become a VIP member and join the community. We'll see you in there.
Now tell me about your calves.
These beautiful calves will be in there.
All right, so we're just about an hour in. Unfortunately, we just realized we went to the store and we were looking at the temps of the Searwood and the Camp Chef while we were at the store, and we noticed that the Searwood was pegged at 180 where it was supposed to be, but the Camp Chef was down to 135 for some reason. So we got home about 15 minutes later, just checked out the controller and it said error, the flame has gone out. That's the first time we've experienced that, so I'm not really sure what's going on there. We're reigniting it now. I also noticed that the smoke box is basically just ash now, so it's almost completely run out. So we're gonna stick another chunk in there. As would be expected when we're running at low temps, not a whole lot of cooking's been done. Let's take a look at the Searwood. Still, right now it's at 185. A lot of smoke coming out of there. Looks pretty much the same, but at this point, we can be relatively sure that this girl's gonna quicker than that one. See if we can get the flame going again, but we're gonna have to monitor this pretty closely. So we'll see you guys in a bit. So we figured out part of the problem. We just pulled this out and it's full of unburned pellets. Not sure why, but hopefully that takes care of the issue. We do see smoke, so it's definitely burning. Not sure what happened there, but all right, we'll see you guys in a bit. All right, so because we were delayed a bit because this thing flamed out, which by the way, I think we figured out what happened. We left the flue open to catch the wood on fire in the smoke box, and the wood burned pretty quick. And I think a lot of ash dumped into the firebox and flamed out the glow plug or whatever Camp Chef calls it. So we fixed that. It's up and running, obviously, good to go. We did increase the temps on both all the way up to 275 because we got to try to catch up because we want to finish this video tonight, not tomorrow morning. So now we're back down to about 250, and let's take a look at what's going on. So it is looking pretty nice. And then over here on the Searwood, also looking pretty damn nice. If there's one area I'd worry about, it's right over here. This looks to be maybe drying out a little bit. Now, we haven't decided how we're gonna handle this. Are we going to wrap at 160 to 170 degrees? Are we gonna not wrap at all? Are we gonna foil boat? You know, all options are on the table. We're gonna kind of decide as we go here. So we're gonna let these things keep going and see where we're at in another couple of hours, and then eventually make our decision. See you in a bit. Here we are. Let's take a quick look, Bob.
Aganda?
Yeah, that one is a thick boy right there.
Yeah, Curly's a honker.
That thing is squat. Looks beautiful, I must say.
So is that a thing, squat?
Yes.
Like a thick?
Yeah.
I've never heard that.
This is less thick.
That is not a squat.
That is not squat. Still looks good though.
It looks like they grew, I guess they grew upward, right?
They grew up, yeah.
Because they shrink up?
So the Temp Pro says 168 in the thick part, 169 in the flat. So this one's ready to do something. Here, this thick boy, we're at 164.
All right, ain't bad.
That flat is so much thicker on this one. Yeah,
so we're 4 degrees off on this. That's good.
4 degrees, want to keep everything, you know, even Steven. Let's turn that up to 275.
And we're 5 hours and 5 minutes in.
7 hours.
This says 5, damn it.
Well, that thing had a flame out issue, so we had to
my
restart.
God. I knew I shouldn't have left.
Yeah, right.
I would have tended it.
So we're gonna go down to 225 on the Searwood and go up to 275.
All right, that's looking good.
On the Camp Chef. And
stick a little piece of hickory.
Yeah, do that.
Are they all honkers? No, time to go.
No. I would say in the next 20 to 30 minutes, we should be ready. We decided we're gonna foil boat today, which we've never done.
Right, so why are we doing that?
So we could screw it up.
If we've never done it, why are we doing it?
Because.
Okay.
It's the best of both
worlds. Good
worlds.
answer, sir.
You get the good crust on the top,
and
the
crust
good bark,
is key.
but you know, cook it
Get
nice and juicy underneath.
Makes sense.
Whereas if you wrap it, the whole thing you lose your crust, you lose your bark. 30 minutes, cheers.
Cheers, sir.
All right, 8 hours in, we think we're ready to boat. Let's just check, just to make sure.
We were born ready to boat, so let's not let this fat boy ruin, you know, we gotta let her go.
Yeah, it's there. Yeah. It's at 165, 166, we're
That's
good.
gonna be at 169 when
This one, we raised the temperature, lowered the temperature on
All
this,
right.
so man, it looks beautiful.
God.
Oh, this one's like butter, 180,
Why is Mo so good and Curly's not?
175. Well, because it's thinner. 156, so we're right around the same.
All right.
All right, I'll do the lifting, you do the foil. So we need 2 sheets, and they need to be nice and big.
God. You gotta take this puppy off.
I know, that thing is in real bad shape. We've only had it for like 4 years.
Man. Come on, old girl. You even lost the plastic things.
I think you can handle it. I have faith in you.
I'm a goddamn champion with the
It doesn't
foil.
need to be that big.
Shut up. I'm the foil champion.
That's huge.
I mean, what the heck? I'm gonna wrap it up. Oh no, I've never done a boat.
Yeah,
I will
just-
be honest.
Pull it.
I don't know what we're doing.
That's, oh,
That's okay, it happens. So
That's a little too big.
I've never done a boat, dude.
it's all right. Just stick it there.
All right. So the exact same length. No, I'm just kidding. Right there.
Yeah,
All right. It's time to invest in a new bulk.
yeah, definitely.
And then another one.
No, that's it. All right, here we go. This is gonna be hot.
All right.
Coming in hot.
All right, hold on. Hold on, they're upside down. All right, ready?
All right,
All right.
now
Thank God I made that one big.
we just do this.
All right.
And we wanna cover some
Oh,
of this
why does it
in.
smell so good?
Because it's good. It smells so good because it's so good.
That doesn't look like a damn boat.
That's what a boat is, man.
Is it?
I don't know what you think a boat is.
I thought it was gonna like this.
No,
like
this-
the Asians would do it like this, like make it real nice.
Are you Asian?
I enjoy their crap
No, this is a boat.
just to hold the.
This is the boat.
All right,
That's it. Now we stick it back in.
all right. There you go.
Nice and boated.
Okay.
That's it. We keep the crust, we keep the bark on the top, we let everything cook.
So my big piece of foil was actually a good thing, I think. I'm gonna do
Okay.
the exact same thing for Mo that I did with Curly.
You do what you do.
Or do you want less?
I don't care. That worked, so whatever.
All right. Real big, real.
Make it exactly the same.
I'm
so this is the
trying.
proper test.
I'm trying.
Oh yeah. Oh boy.
Oh my gosh.
That was a fail. That
Can we
was a
put
fail.
salt, pepper real quick?
Yeah, we should. Yeah.
Oh my
Pepper,
God, let me
pepper,
get it. Abort everything. The cook is ruined.
Bob screwed this one up.
No, you touched it. You touched it. I will now reapply for the bark. Coarse salt.
That's a
More-
mad load of salt.
Hey, just calm down, sir.
That's gonna be the nice salty part right there.
I don't have to put the whole thing unless you want it.
Whew. You should have eaten that. It's good for your blood pressure.
No, it's bad for the blood pressure.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Heavy on the pep.
All right, all right.
Look at that beautiful crust. Like, why
All
did
right.
we do that to everything?
She's boated.
Okay, boat it up.
This one's hotter than that one, so maybe we stick with 250 here, stick with 275 there.
Cheers, sir. Okay, cheers me again.
How many times are we gonna cheers?
As many as it takes for you to get right, boy.
Cheers!
Again!
All right, here we are. How many hours are we in?
Many.
9 hours. 9 hours in. They're looking beautiful, both of them. The boat is doing its thing.
So I like the boat.
Yeah, I like the boat as well.
I want to make mine look like a boat next time, like
Yeah.
for real.
An actual boat?
Well, like this, like a Viking. Ooh,
That one's looking even better, if I'm being
smoky.
honest.
Some of it's butter, some of it's not.
Correct. So that's down to like 180 something right there, and it's not super butter. This has to go back up to 250.
We
man.
just did this.
It ain't ready. It ain't ready.
Okay, wait, to what?
250.
What?
Yes.
What the hell?
It's gotta be.
225.
Let's check again here. Yeah, this gotta go back up to 250, man.
All right.
See?
Brisket doctor.
We're in the 180s. Let's let it roll, let it roll. We thought we were ready to rest.
We're gonna
We're
keep it
not
on,
ready
keep
to
it
rest.
on. Let it be written.
All right, let it be done. All right, we are 9.5 hours in.
Is that the time?
I think so. Let me just
Beautiful.
double check. 10 hours.
That's what I was gonna say. Sound long.
10 hours in, which is good. This is Dave. He's our special guest tonight.
Taste tester.
I was tell him.
Let's go.
that he's my son's tennis coach, and he
He's
loves
my tennis
barbecue.
coach. In the future, I can't play, but I hope so. One day you can teach me.
Soon.
So these guys are ready to go. We're gonna take them out, and we're ready to rest. We're gonna let it rest for what are we gonna do? Like
Whatever we can, see what the wives. and
18
Dave
hours?
tell us.
Oh boy, look at the juice.
So that's where the boat comes into account.
Woo! Look at that.
Aye.
There you go. Nice.
Oh yeah. Jiggle.
If you dump all of those on the deck, it's your ass.
Just, hey, well, I'm gonna fall as well, so just pick me up and get me home, dude. 20-minute shutdown time. Yep.
Got that?
Hold on.
That's like 26 pounds of meat.
Ready.
Can you do it?
Yeah, just open that door.
Have you been working out?
No. Have you? Oh, God. No, it's actually good. It's good. Feels fine.
You got it? You sure?
Yeah. Okay, Donnie, walk backwards.
All right, here we are. 2 beautiful briskets. That Camp Chef Searwood.
Yes.
All right, let's take a look. Let's see how it looks. Searwood right here.
Yeah, that's
Woo!
beautiful.
All right, and this one, I would assume it's gonna be the same, or probably more, because this one is more squat.
Maybe.
My favorite word. And when I open it, it's like, oh man, look at that.
I mean, yeah, it looks.
Wow.
Damn.
Wow. I'm not even sure. Where should I cut from, Donnie?
Give me the point. It'd be great. Give me a little crust as well.
I'm gonna try. All right. You don't know what that's from. Don't look. How dare you?
What the hell? What do you mean? I gotta go to the camera. What?
Good?
Yeah. Yes.
Smoky? Do you taste smoke?
Smoky, crusty, fatty, beautiful.
All right, perfect.
All right. Yeah, it's hitting.
You're really happy with that, huh?
That's hitting, yeah. I'd buy that, whatever that was. All right. Goddamn.
Which one would you choose?
I like them both. I'm gonna say this one's a little more smoky.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Interesting.
Yes, sir.
Not looking.
All right, you ready?
Super juicy. Yeah, I'm ready. I've been ready.
All right, take your shirt off. All right, this is very little hot.
Oh, are you kidding me? This is heaven. This is absolute heaven.
Okay.
Oh my God, perfect cut, Bob. Whatever that was.
Thank you.
I don't know how you beat that.
No, turn around, boy. What the hell? Quit trying to cheat now.
They're both amazing. I'm going number 1. Smokier, juicier, delicious. This one is delicious too, but
And you had more bark on the one I just cut.
the first one that you gave me was like ridiculously good.
Interesting.
This was very good, but that one was like,
Do you know which one you picked?
no, I have no clue.
Which one did I pick?
So he picked Searwood.
He did too.
Okay, that's 2 for Searwood then.
All right.
You mother.
Hey man, I'm going from taste. What do you mean, you mother? What the hell?
We're not supposed to pick the Searwood.
Hey, dude.
All right, let's do Dave. Wow, how are we picking the Searwood, dude?
Because the Sear was a champion, dude. We've always known this.
No, it can't be.
We thought that, but it's always helpful.
Everybody thinks I'm biased, but you picked it too.
Oh yeah, I picked it too.
All right, Dave. He's a big time barbecue guy. Interested to see what he thinks.
The salt, the pepper, the juice. I don't taste a lot of smoke on that
No
one.
smoke, okay?
Not a lot of smoke on that one.
Interesting. But good or not good?
Very good.
Very good.
This one tastes juicier for some reason.
Okay.
Both super juicy.
Any difference in smoke?
Not a lot of difference in smoke,
Okay.
but this one, the flavor tastes better. I don't know why. The flavor just tastes more pronounced. What did I choose?
Chose the Searwood.
Oh my gosh! Really? Oh wow!
3 for 3 on the Searwood.
It was super juicy. I mean, the quality of the brisket is. What was the brisket brand?
North 36 Farms.
North 36 Farms. That was
Yeah.
a super juicy brisket.
So I don't know if you know this, Dave, but blue cheese, a good blue cheese on brisket is heaven. Cheers.
Cheers, sir.
That is so good.
With the jalapenos,
Yeah.
fire.
Searwood's a winner.
Searwood's the winner. It's like splitting hairs, dude. Like
I would
literally a
agree.
hair. They're both so good.
12 hours. Thanks for hanging out.
We'll see you next time.
Amazing.
You can feed a village with this.
Yeah, we
It's
could,
amazing.
totally.
Where is the village?
It's right over there.
Good.